An element that's widely used in websites is a back to top button that's usually positioned in the lower part of the page. Now, the cool thing about it is that it doesn't scroll along with the page. Instead, it stays in the same spot. So let me show you how that's made. I have a page here with a bunch of text, a few paragraphs, and right at the bottom it says back to top. Now the code here says, let's see, A, so it's a simple link with a class of back to top. So let's go ahead and style that. First, we're gonna start with a background color so we can see it better. Black. This is actually a fallback. We're gonna do this again with an RGBA because we want the button to be kind of transparent. Let's do about 0.75 opacity. Okay, there you go. So the reason I did this is if there is no RGBA support in the browser, then use the black color. Okay, next let's do this. This is the magic right here. Position fixed. Now, position fixed means that that button will stay wherever you put it, no matter if you scroll or not. So let's give it some position. I'm gonna set it to bottom 2 ems and right 2 ems. And that will put it right here. 2 ems from the left, from the right, and 2 ems from the bottom. So if I scroll, the button stays right there. All right, let's do some additional styling here. Let's see. Let's change the color to white, and let's give it a padding, like 0.5 ems on top and bottom, 1 em left and right, just like that. And also text transform. Let's do uppercase. Okay, and maybe the font size a bit smaller, like 11 pixels. And let's do the font weight bold. All right, perfect. Finally, let's add a hover state. So back to top hover, we'll simply change the text color to something like 69 BBD2, which is a blue color. All right, and that is the back to top button. Now, of course, when you click it, it goes to the top of the page because in the HTML, look, we have the href set to dash top, and our header here has the ID of top. So that's why this whole thing works. Now, normally, this is only half of the whole system. There's also a JavaScript component that shows or hides the button depending on the scroll bar position. But that's beyond the scope of this lesson. However, check out the lesson notes. I've added a link to an older tutorial of mine demonstrating this technique.